If a Ventolin inhaler contains 20 milligrams of albuterol, how many inhalation doses can be delivered if each inhalation dose contains 90 micrograms? So this question, you want to start off with how many doses is what you're trying to find out. So first thing we have, the whole inhaler, it has 20 milligrams, the whole thing. So 20 milligrams is what we should start with because it's like a one-liner, and 20 milligrams is contained in the whole albuterol. And so next I want to convert milligrams to micrograms because each dose is 90 micrograms. So I can use conversion factor of this. So for every 1 milligram, there's 1,000 micrograms. Or I could use this conversion factor, 1,000 micrograms over 1 milligram. See, these two fractions, they mean the exact same thing. But I know which one to use here is because I want the milligrams here to cancel out with the milligrams here in the denominator. Milligrams cancel out the milligrams here. I don't want to use this one because milligrams is in the numerator. So next I calculate how much in each dose there is. So for every one inhalation dose, there is 90 micrograms. 90 micrograms in each dose. Right? So this one I could have written this as one dose over 90 micrograms. Or I could have written this as 90 micrograms over one dose. See, these two, they mean the same thing. But I know not to use this one is because I want micrograms here to cancel out micrograms here. So when I solve for this, 20 times 1,000 over 1 times it by 1 over 90, you should get 222.22222 repeating doses. Right, because doses not canceled out yet, that's why the answer is in doses. And anytime when you have a fraction, anytime we have a decimal, you always round down the number of doses. That's because you obviously can't give a patient 0.222 of a dose, right? It has to be full doses. So that's why your final answer is 222 doses. So in the answer box, you just type in 222. So let's pretend that instead of 222.2 repeating, the answer was 222.9 doses. So even if you get this number here, when you calculate it, you still round down to 222 instead of 223 because you can't give 0.9 of a dose. You always round to the nearest whole dose because that's how much you're going to give to the patient. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Goodbye.